Guys, ngayon lang to nag-make sense sa akin. Ito palang standard equation ni circle na dati kinakabisado lang namin. Galing pala siya sa distance formula. Sorry ha, huwag niyo ako i-judge. So let's say meron tayong any point no dun sa circle. Let's say yan ay point P. Tapos may coordinates yan na x and y. Tapos let's say meron tayong center ni circle which is point C. So ang coordinates niya ay h tsaka k. So itong distance between them, di ba yan yung radius? Ngayon, paano kinuha yung radius na yun dito? Distance formula. So, yung distance formula, no, using yung coordinates ng point P at point C. Ito siya, di ba? Square root lang yan ng x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. No, wherein yung point 1 natin is yung point C. So, yan yung x1, y1. And then, yung second point natin is yung point P. Yan yung x2, y2. So, kapag sinubstitute natin siya dito, so, yung distance ng radius, again, r equal to square root ng yung x2 natin is yung x, yung x1 natin is yung h, and then square plus yung y2 natin is yung y, minus yung y1 natin ay k, tapos naka-square. And then kapag in-square natin both sides para matanggal yung square dito, magiging r square is equal to x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square. Doon pala yung galing. Don't judge me.